Willow Nightingale vs Thekla AEW Redemption uko byari bimeze. Despite heavy interference from Thekla's Triangle of Madness partner Sky Blue, Willow overcame the odds. She neutralized Blue with a powerbomb on the outside before returning to the ring to counter Thekla's spear into a winning backslide pin. With this monumental victory, Willow officially became the first ever women's Grand Slam champion in AEW history. The loss brought an end to Thekla's impressive 166 days championship reign. Barakubwira ko Willow Nightingale yabashije gutsinda Thekla ukoresheje tekinike ya Blackside Pinfall ku mikino ya AEW Redemption. Willow Nightingale defeated Thekla to win the AEW Women's World Championship. Thank you for your time. Wakoze kubana nanjye.